Hello friends, today we will experience the journey in India's first engineless self-propelled train, formerly called Train 18 and now named Vande Bharat Express. It is a fully air-conditioned train with high speed, comfort and facilities. Integral Coach Factory ICF Chennai. A railway production unit has been the force behind a completely in-house design and manufacture, computer modeling and working with a large number of suppliers for system integration in just 18 months. As an excellent example of Make in India success story, the Indian Railways launched India's first all-indigenous semi-high-speed train, Vande Bharat Express, and today we will be travelling in the Vande Bharat 2.0 version. The Vande Bharat 2.0 trains have the Kavach train collision avoidance system for enhanced safety in operations. There will be improved security with 4 emergency windows added in every coach. The exterior of the train employs an aerodynamic design intended to reduce air resistance at high speeds. We see a lot of people enjoying a selfie time here. The chassis of the coach is 23 meter long and the frame of the train is made entirely of stainless steel. It features diffused lighting, automatic doors and sliding footsteps besides GPS-based passenger information system and charging point at every seat. All coaches have dedicated pantry supplies and as you see, breakfast is getting ready for us. We have the first aid box and emergency talkback facility in every compartment. The train also comes with onboard infotainment system with Wi-Fi, vacuum toilets, sliding doors and continuous windows for a contemporary modern look. We have bottle holders and good footrest. We find the LCD monitors at either sides of the coaches displaying the train related info. The catering in the train is quite simple. We are provided with some cookies to start with. We have an option for instant tea or coffee. We are also provided with newspapers to spend some productive early hours of the day. You can observe the smooth travel even at such high speeds. Meanwhile, let me share few informations about Vande Bharat with you. The first Vande Bharat Express train was flagged off on Feb 15, 2019 on the New Delhi, Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi route. As of date, there are 7 Vande Bharats running and the Chennai-Mysuru train in which we are travelling now was the 5th to be flagged off by our Prime Minister on 11th November 2022 from Mysuru to Chennai. And now the breakfast is also served. We have idli, vada, sambar and chutney, suji halwa, cake and juice. Okay, now let's have a look at the executive coaches. We were told it has rotating chairs and wanted to have a look at it, but since all are occupied, I'll not be able to see that now. All coaches are equipped with automatic doors which are very convenient while carrying luggages. All toilets are bio-vacuum type. The lighting inside is in dual mode, that is diffuse for general illumination and personal for every seat. The 4-language display, Tamil and Kannada, for the connecting destinations apart from English and Hindi. The continuous windows gives a contemporary modern look to the train and also provides a wider view to enjoy the scenery outside. Vande Bharat Express has a maximum commercial speed of 160 km per hour. It exceeded 180 km per hour during the trial runs. However, Chennai-Mysuru route is slower on account of the tracks that are not capable of supporting such high speeds. Its acceleration is comparable with bullet trains. In fact, the 2.0 version has achieved 0 km to 100 km per hour speed in just 52 seconds during the trial runs. Please be quick to enter the train before the departure time, else the automatic doors will shut you out for sure. Vande Bharat Express is the next major leap for Indian Railways in terms of speed and convenience. The train matches the global standards of performance, safety and passenger comfort and yet costs less than half of the global prices. It has a potential to be a game changer in the global rail business, and I am sure you will definitely fall in love when you travel in it. If you like the content and information of my video, please do share and subscribe for all my efforts to reach many more people like you. Thank you.